How to access all premium filters in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device and make sure you are connected to the internet. Now either take a new selfie or choose one from your gallery by tapping the camera or photo icon. Once the image loads, you will see different categories like smiles, age, makeup and more. Premium filters will be marked with a Pro icon. Tap on any of them to preview the effect. To unlock all premium filters, you will need to subscribe to FaceApp Pro. You can do this by tapping any premium filter, then following the upgrade prompt. FaceApp Pro gives you full access to advanced filters, exclusive editing tools, and removes a watermark from your saved photos. Once your subscription is active, all premium filters will be available without any limitations. You can also manage or cancel your subscription anytime through the Google Play Store. Now you know how to access all premium filters in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.